Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to dive deep into a very common question faced by many marketers and business owners. What's the difference between Meta ads and boosted posts? Both of these are advertising tools provided by Meta, formerly Facebook, but they serve different purposes and can yield different results depending on your goals. Meta ads, commonly referred to as Facebook ads, are advertisements that you create using Meta's Ads Manager tool. Ads Manager is a comprehensive platform that allows businesses and advertisers to run highly customized ad campaigns across Meta's entire network, including Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. With Meta ads, you have complete control over various aspects such as ad objectives. You can choose from a variety of objectives, such as brand awareness, lead generation, app installs, and more. Targeting options. Meta ads allow you to target users based on highly specific demographics, behaviors, interests, or even custom audiences like website visitors or people who interacted with your brand in some way. Creative options. You can create ads in different formats like carousel ads, slideshow ads, video ads, and collection ads. Budgeting and bidding. Ads Manager allows you to control your daily or lifetime budget, bidding strategy, and ad placements. Detailed analytics. With Ads Manager, you have access to detailed reporting and performance metrics like cost per click, CPC, cost per action, CPA, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Meta ads are designed to help businesses meet specific marketing objectives and allow for a full range of customization and tracking options. Now, let's shift our focus to boosted posts. A boosted post is essentially a regular organic post on Facebook or Instagram that you can promote to reach a larger audience. The option to boost a post appears directly below the post once it's live on your page. Key features of a boosted post include ease of use. Boosting a post is incredibly easy and can be done in a few clicks without needing to log into Ads Manager. Limited targeting options. You can target people based on location, interests, and age, but the targeting options are much more simplified compared to Ads Manager. Fewer objectives. Boosting a post usually helps you achieve goals like increasing post engagement, getting more page likes, or reaching more people. However, it lacks the advanced objective options like conversions or app installs that you get in Ads Manager. Post-based promotion. You can only boost posts that already exist on your page, and the creative is limited to the post's content, whether it's a single image, video, or text. Boosted posts are a quick and simple way to extend the reach of your content and encourage interaction, but they don't offer the same level of control and precision as Meta ads. Now that we've outlined what Meta ads and boosted posts are, let's compare them in detail. Meta ads offers a wide range of ad objectives. These include brand awareness, traffic, engagement, lead generation, video views, conversions, and app installs. If your goal is to drive specific actions, like purchases or sign-ups, Meta ads are the way to go. Boosted posts, primarily focused on engagement, post visibility, and page likes. Boosted posts are great for increasing reach or engagement but aren't designed for complex objectives like conversions or lead generation. The targeting options in Ads Manager are very detailed and allow for custom audience creation based on website traffic, email lists, lookalike audiences, and more. You can also create dynamic ads that retarget people who have shown interest in your products or services. Boosted posts. The targeting options are more basic. You can choose your audience based on location, age, gender, and a few interests. If you need more sophisticated targeting, Ads Manager is much more powerful. You can choose from a variety of ad formats, including carousel ads, slideshow ads, and collection ads. Ads Manager also gives you the flexibility to use advanced features like A/B testing, dynamic creative optimization, DCO, and custom templates. Boosted posts. You're limited to the original format of the post you're boosting. There's no option to split test different versions of your ad or experiment with different creative formats. With Ads Manager, you can set up highly detailed budgeting strategies. You can control the daily spend, lifetime budget, and set specific bid amounts for different actions. You can also use optimization options like optimizing for clicks, impressions, or conversions. Boosted posts. You can set a budget and duration for your boost, but you don't have control over advanced bidding strategies. It's more of a simplified approach to budgeting. One of the best features of Ads Manager is that you can control where your ads are shown. This includes Facebook Newsfeed, Instagram Stories, Messenger, Audience Network, and more. You can even customize your creatives for different placements. Boosted posts. Typically, boosted posts appear only on Facebook or Instagram, depending on where you've originally posted the content. There is no advanced control over placements. Ads Manager gives you in-depth reporting, showing you how each ad performed, with metrics like conversion rates, cost per result, and more. You can track the exact actions people took after seeing your ad, allowing for precise optimization. Boosted posts. You'll receive basic insights like reach, engagement, and clicks. However, it won't show you detailed conversion metrics or allow for complex performance tracking.